Record. Yeah, now we're recording. Nice.
We are live.
Yeah, bro.
Okay, man, let's do this. Bro, I was bumped when I saw the gold. It did what it was supposed to do, but without us. It's like it's like we saying like the train is gonna leave from the station and go to that station, and we're gonna go with it, but then we forgot to go hop on the train.
I think it's a trap. Actually, the market is trapping the sellers now.
Oh, okay. Let me hear that.
So I can share my screen if possible.
Do it. Yeah. Share your screen. Now I have two screens. Now I can actually look at your screen while I'm looking at my own. Okay. Yeah, we had this big buy block right now. Did you see that I colored my candles in gold like you?
Yeah, I saw it. It was perfect.
Copycat. But I did the bearish ones white.
Oh yeah, that's cool. It's nice. I think it's easy to look like it doesn't pop your eyes.
100%. When I saw yours, I was like, oh man, because I've tried so many different colors.
Yeah.
When I saw yours, I was like, oh man, this is spot on. This is perfect.
Yeah.
Share your screen for me.
I'm doing it now. Host disable participate screens.
Make host. So change host. No.
There we go. I think what's happened now is a trap.
Okay.
To trap the sellers because I use the volume and it's buying volume here and it's buying volume there. And you see this big ass sell block here. And now it's basically doing what it should do. There, new buy block there, grabbing liquidity. So I think we can actually start to see it goes up to this and then down. And you also see when I pull the Fibonacci, it has done its job. And now we need to start retrace back to this area. So I don't think we're done.
Wait a second. Hold that thought. Let me just look quickly on my chart here. I want to see some stuff. You think so, right?
And also, if you go back to previous event when it consolidated last time, you see the same kind of drop as here. You see this, same drop, same's gonna happen now. Can happen before it goes up here, only this area before it drops.
Yeah, a very similar pattern.
Yep.
The only thing is that I think this thing can drop down to 1935 before it pops up.
Yeah, I agree on this.
Because it doesn't have to actually.
No.
But
because
I'm just looking at Fibonacci. But the thing is like this. Wait, let me look at something else, something different. Okay. Let's look at this. Oh, we are so perfectly inside the demand zone on a fib. On the fib demand zone, perfectly bounce off. That we actually could go up from here. You're right. On the daily we have what? No. On weekly, yeah, man. That's a sweet spot.
I think it is for trapping the buyers now the sellers, and take them out.
What you say? You think the buyers are trapped now?
No, the sellers. Now they're gonna trap the sellers because everyone, like, not the banks and the institution, they don't sell down here or up here. They wait for this one.
Yeah.
Everyone like private person like us who's selling now and think, yes, it's gonna drop. No, bro, we need to do here because banks is gonna enter here.
Mm.
And institutional.
Yeah, man. I'm definitely buying into that theory. So the thing is like this. Look, so if it comes down, if it goes up to the order block,
Yeah.
it starts at 2013, right?
Yes, or around 2011.
Okay, mine starts at 2013 on the 4 hour time frame, and goes all the way up to 2022.
Yeah.
And it right in the middle of that one, we the same Fibonacci that I pulled and that shows me that we are bouncing off the demand zone.
Yeah.
It's 38.2 level is exactly inside that order block.
I'm going to pass you so you can share your screen and explain it with the Fibonacci and everything.
All right, cool.
So people see the people need to see.
Oh yeah, I forgot that we were recording, man. Let's do this.
Here we
All
go.
right, cool. So basically, what I'm seeing is I've pulled the Fibonacci now from. No, I'm gonna go into my old ways. So we have the Fibonacci pulled from this bottom to this top. All right. So basically, it's this whole sequence here, and what has happened? We bounced off. It looked like we was going to bounce off the 61.8. We did a small bounce and then dropped down all the way to this demand zone. This is the demand zone here. So we have picked up a lot of liquidity here. This is not marked out as a liquidity zone by the smart money concept, but there is a lot of liquidity here just by looking at these candles. And the same thing left from here. So what can the market do from here? Move on up to this sell order block that we got here, bounce off very nice and perfectly off the 38.2 Fibonacci, and then from there we will see the drop down first to the 27.2 extension, which is perfectly confluent with the buy order block here. Then we probably see something like this. Then if we drop further from that. We will see. Yeah. And also what is perfectly confluent here on this level is what? The 1900 level. Yeah. And we know in trading the even numbers are psychological numbers, and they always work as some form of support and resistance.
Agree. I think so. Because now you see already now in the movement it is now, it moves perfectly. It's sweeping liquidity, made a buy order block and swept, barely touched that one and pulling up.
Yeah, exactly. So if you zoom in on this one, we can see, yeah, exactly. So we have to push through this order block here first.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I think we're coming up here.
And by looking at the dollar now, we are in a huge sell block on the dollar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I think this road up is going to be rocky. I think we're going to see something like this, this, and then so there's going to be a rocky road up.
Yeah, typical uptrend patterns basically. Downtrend is more instant. Uptrend takes time.
Yeah, exactly. So often when you're making money on a sell, you're making it quick.
Yeah, but a buy takes longer time.
Yeah.
And if you go on in the dollar, and then you can go on 4 hour, and you can go all the way back to Monday, 20th of March.
Monday, 20th of March.
Yeah, that one on the top where you are now on the blue.
Yeah.
You see the big sell block longer up with the big wick upstairs. Yes, that one.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's where it is now. No, down, sorry. to the 16 there. Yeah, that's where it is now. And
Okay.
this is sell block if you mark it up manually, like big liquidity.
Yeah, man.
And then if you go on 16th of May on the dollar.
Basically, this. So I'm asking now the smart money concept expert here. You're marking out this order block here, the sell order block. You're marking it out like this, right?
Yeah, correct.
On this candle here.
Yeah, correct. Because if you drop down to 1 hour, you will see a sell in piercing candle there.
Oh. Yeah, that's it. All right, so yeah, man, it's a big ass block, and it's confluently perfect with the 61.8 inside a retracement inside the sweet spot zone. So yeah, man, this drop is looking very juicy to happen.
The drop
And,
is going.
and that is perfectly confluent with our gold analysis.
Yeah.
That will push the gold price up. Yeah, man, you are right. 100%.
And the same on the dollar, you have a buy block on 102.40. Yeah, that one.
Yeah.
So
Nice. We have some nice. I think a lot of this will play out. What we got Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yeah, we'll see. I think we'll see most of this action next week.
yeah, I think the news on Friday is gonna start push gold up.
Yeah, man.
Actually, it's typical on Fridays they push it up to touch, and then they start a new thing on Monday or Tuesday.
Sounds like an interesting idea.
Yeah, so we maybe get some small scalps buy in there in the time also. That's nice.
Yeah, man.
So that looks good. And
Have you seen anything on Monero today?
No, I can check now. Give me a second. I know Euro. Let's see.
I know. I just remembered. You know what? This is going to be interesting.
Monitor settings matured. Oh, we have lots of incomplete on nice. Yeah, I like to use the CHF actually. Bat and butterfly and bat again. Take from today.
Bro, I'm passing you the host.
Yeah. I need them. Screen. Now. Yeah, this small buy on NCD USD, but only thing we have this. Why can I open up this one in the regular one still? This is a downtrending market though, so it's quite scary to take chances on it, or if it doesn't change character though.
NZD USD. Let's look at it. USD. Let's check it out.
What else do we have?
Damn, NZD USD. Yeah, man, this one has dropped.
Yeah.
Straight. What are you on? Daily time frame?
Yeah, it's daily. We can go on.
Oh, okay. You're on Euro GBP. Mine looks completely different.
Oh, I was
Hey,
on
listen.
NZD.
Hey, listen. What did you say? NZD/USD? Was it a buy
Yeah,
signal? It's in a major order block, buy order block.
yeah. And it's have one more underneath is entry on 0.59193343.
Oh, discount zone. Hey, bro, this one is looking juicy, but look at the drop, man. That drop is sick.
Yeah. We can go. I'm gonna check it out. Wait. NCD USD.
Bam. And but the sell order blocks are heavy, just above.
Yeah. Let me see.
Really heavy.
You have a grab now. That is, I'm guessing, is to fulfill the imbalance up. So what we can expect here maybe is get, where's my brush? Maybe some, how does my brush work? Excuse me. Something like this. And then it needs to go back something like this and then go up. And then it's gonna drop eventually.
Nice. Hey, this is a trade I think we need to keep our eyes on. I think this one can move a lot. Because there's a lot of imbalance for it to fill, like you just mentioned.
Yeah. So quick small trades on this one is looking good.
Yeah. Damn, a lot of imbalance. Okay, this one. I like this one. This one is juicy. And it's at such a good spot right now. But the problem is it's New Zealand dollars. This fucker will what are they? They're like 6 hours ahead of us.
Yeah. This is the late
Yeah,
market.
so this thing will start moving like early, like what, like 3 p.m. our time or something like that.
Yeah. In
3 a.m. I mean.
and it's like, how is this looking on the, it's strong, like it's never, last time it was that low as it is now. It start pumping again up slowly.
Yeah.
All the way from here. That's 10th of March 23. We go on 4 hour and see what we find here. If you have the same buy signal on 4 hour, I will probably use that instead. We don't have a signal there. Because as you see on 4 hourly time frame, we have this place here. If it takes out this area, then it's gonna drop.
Yeah. Yeah, if it goes, yeah, exactly, and that's the buy order block that I'm looking at here.
Yeah.
So if it goes below basically 0.608, 6084,
yeah,
then it's further downwards movement.
then it's
But
to
with
fill up,
it, what's it?
then it is to fill up all this.
Yeah, man. But I'm thinking like it should fill up what's above it first and then continue down.
Yeah.
And you know.
And here we have this. Oh, here we have a nice candle we can trust on actually.
Bro, I never looked at NZD/USD, man. This thing is moving crazy.
Yeah. If you look at the big order block here, it's nice buy pressure from this area with unfilled buy orders.
Yeah. See that. Yep.
So yeah.
All right, we're keeping our eyes on NZD/USD. We're keeping our eyes on gold because we know that gold, or we think that gold actually is going to pump up now before it drops down further.
It's a nice one actually.
Euro GBP.
Yeah.
Let's look at it.
Yeah, I like it. On daily is an uptrend, and now we're starting closing in on its perfect trend line. Is perfect on the trend line. It's daily. We can check it out.
Yeah, daily. All right, cool. Let's start with daily. I need to go in shy. Yeah. Well, this one, it just bounced off this major buy order block.
Euro GBP.
But I don't know. It feels like for me, when I'm looking at it, it looks like it's in the middle of in the middle of in the middle of two zones,
I think it needs to go down to
and it's consolidating a little bit right now. Actually,
Yeah.
like moving sideways.
you have a triangle pattern, but I don't trust that so much. And it's a small cell on can catch 71 pips.
Mm,
But the stop loss is I don't like the stop losses they have on this setup.
okay.
Like basically
Yeah, that's a crazy stop loss, man.
there's no point of it. So nope. Then we have used the CHF on 4-hour time frame with the sell. So that one is actually looking good.
Yeah, USD CHF is the one that. Oh man, I haven't even seen it. It blew out TP3. Damn.
Yeah.
I haven't even said it in the Prosperous channel.
Yeah. So
Nice,
we
nice.
have another signal on 4-hour that is
What's
entry
that?
on 09153. And we have this big ass here. We have this nice block that I like a lot.
Okay, so 09. What did you say? 09153. Oh, damn, that's high up. Okay.
Yeah, it's trades it's incomplete, so it's future trades that we can be on the lookout for.
Yeah.
And it makes sense
Yeah. So
because
we have the sell order block at 0967.
yeah, correct. Another one here.
065. Yeah.
In this area, we have another one. If I check it on my nice setup, USD CHF one. So USD says yes, correct. It's an uptrend on 4-hour, but major downtrend, the bigger picture. And we're doing this. Here and see how it has react. Oh, it's in the uptrend now, actually. Look out the trend line. Did get more. We'll see.
Basically, what's happening now with USD CHF is that it's bouncing, it's retesting the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement on the major swing on the daily time frame, on the major sequence. So what I think is going to happen with this retest is I think it's going to break it, depending a little bit, of course, how the dollar moves.
Yeah.
If the dollar drops, yeah, then it's going to be very much more difficult for it to push up. But if it doesn't drop, then I definitely can see this thing pushing up all the way to 0.9168
Yeah.
and dropping down from there.
It has so much sales pressure here. It's like 3 cell blocks just laying there.
Yeah.
And it's strong high 64. The oscillator is showing like it's oversold.
Yeah.
So what I think we can get is a little push down before it puffs back up and then turns down.
Okay.
So we'll see. We can keep our eye on it. So it's good. And then we have the SPX. Then it's some daily is complete. We have some signals today. We have USD CHF. That is it's not complete actually.
So everybody watching, always have a notepad. I'm stressing that all the time, but you always want to journal your trades, but also journal your thoughts on trades when you're analyzing trades.
I'm gonna send this one to you on Telegram because I like how it looks. Basically, I can save the image instead. Save image. Here I got it. Okay, nice. All right. So we have everything gold, as Euro CHF or USD CHF. We can check NAS 100. I think it will drop more actually. This looks that way. You have actually a signal from Anara also on a NAS 100 daily. That is complete. So it basically has given us, or SPX actually.
What was we talked about? Yeah, USD NZD. That was the one.
Yeah. I'm checking SPX now daily.
What you checking at? S&P.
Yeah. We'll go on
S&P, let's jump into it. Let's jump into that one. USD shift, no. No. No.
Just broke through the trend line also, so that's a good sign on the daily. If it close under the trend line, then we should be good. So, yeah. I recognize this signal actually, and I think we have it on. Yeah.
The thing is like this, when it comes to SPX, so it's basically like halfway down to the, or more, like it's almost down at this big ass buy order block that we see down there. And it's in the same time in an uptrend. And it would make perfect sense for this one on the daily time frame to bounce off. Wait, let me just pull out the fib. Boom.
I'm sharing.
Okay, we're in the sweet spot right now, but to bounce off the 78.6. So if it bounce off the 78.6, that is you can mark it on your chart. That is at 40.83. 78.6.
40.83. Yeah.
Yeah, so you see that's perfectly with the buy order block there.
Yeah.
And if you look at the uptrend, that will fit the pattern,
Yeah.
the structure in a good way. But we'll see. That is likely to happen, but it doesn't need to happen.
I agree, actually.
Looks like a juicy
But if you
scenario.
go longer back, I think it will go a little bit up because longer back it's a selling.
Yeah, exactly. So this is why I'm thinking. I think it's coming down that little gap it has left there, and plus on its way down there, it's a lot of. If you go on the 4-hour time frame and you look a little bit onto the left, then what you will see is, oh, on yours you don't see that. Okay, so on mine, what I see is a lot of imbalance. Basically, look. So
Just share your screen. Wait. Here we go. Make host. Yes. We have 5 minutes left, so this is good.
Yeah, man. So this should do it. All right, cool. So you see these gaps here.
Yeah.
Major imbalance. So even if it doesn't show on you, but you still see a full candle here. So this is still though major imbalance. So we have imbalance above here also. But I think we're coming down here first, and then we're moving up, and moving up to what was the level you were looking at?
42.60.
42.60.
Yeah, the last high. There you go.
Oh, you see perfectly with 27.2 extension.
Yeah.
So basically, that's the scenario I see, man. I see this. We look at this, boom and boom up here, and this could actually happen already tomorrow.
Yeah. When New York's open, I think. Actually, so we can look
tomorrow or on Friday. What was the news? Friday, right?
Yeah, Friday's news.
Okay, so yeah, so I think this is going to complete. This pattern is going to complete on Friday.
Yeah.
When the news pop.
Then we're gonna catch it on Friday.
Dope, dope. So we got 4 juicy setups. So tomorrow is going to be on S&P. Little drop to 40. What did I say? 40, 83. 83. The 42. What was it?
Yeah.
42.60. All right. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 juicy setups for tomorrow.
Yeah.
So for anybody watching this, do your own analysis on what you just saw us breaking down. Please share it with us in the chat. We love that. Maybe you have different thoughts, maybe you have different opinions on it, and you will definitely see some trades called out from us in tomorrow and on Friday. On Friday, maybe we're trading the news together, or we're at least looking at the analyzing the markets together during the news. We might do that. All right. With that said, Frederick, my man, anything to add?
No, I think we're good. We have now we know how the market can move, and we should be good. So stay blessed, people.
Dope. All right, trade safe. Peace out.